love the building. A lot of people come here just to take photos. We go inside first. Main entrance of Fullerton Hotel in Singapore in December, Christmas time. Wow, this is the main foyer of Fullerton Hotel in Singapore. Summer, if you take a closer look of the tree, there are many teddy bears. Teddy bears! Wow, first day in Fullerton Hotel Singapore. We are about to check in. We are about to check in our room, and I am already very impressed with the building and the Christmas decoration so far on our first day. Let's see what it's like here. So we are at the Fullerton Hotel in Singapore. We book a courtyard twin room. As you can see, this room is very nice, very spacious. Fullerton Hotel used to be the old post office, and as you can see from this side is the courtyard view, which what we are expecting, which we book for today. It's a really nice building. Coming into this building was quite historic. So this is a room in Fullerton Hotel Singapore. We book twin beds, two single beds in like a queen size room, and this is what you call a courtyard view. So it's very nice, very clean. We have a working desk here and a chair to put our luggage, and a television, obviously all the normal amenities with coffee machine, a bottle to fill or refill our water. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's real classic expensive coffee cups, coffee sets, cups, our kettle, coffee, wine glasses if we decide to have wine, and the fridge, a fridge with beers, water, and soft drinks, juices if we want to use it at a small charge. Coming into Fullerton Hotel was really good, really nice. As it is Christmas time, roll out red carpet, Christmas decorations. The main foyer is very impressive with all that Christmas decorations in the staircase with all the teddy bear decorations, and it's very festive around this time of the year here. So later on I will try to take more videos of that area, and I will try to include it in this review. So it's very nice here. So as you can see behind me, this is going to be my bed, Summer's bed on that side. So this is the courtyard room. So on that side downstairs, we can see the area where people have coffee and snacks. I think I can see some people having high tea. That is nice. There is a walkway on that end. I'll show you. So a little walkway on that end, and a small sitting there for possibly just for relaxation. And what a wonderful, beautiful building. This used to be the old post office in Singapore. One of the main reasons why I book this hotel is for its historic building, the price, the amenities, the location, and the character of this building. So there's a walk-in shower here, huge, and a huge big bath tub, so you are really sport for choice. They even have a filtered water here, and they also provide this refillable water that you can use to fill, or you can also buy it. It's available for purchase. And the best part of this bathroom is the heated toilet seat. There is a built-in bidet, wash and dry features, and it literally senses when you're about to sit in. Let's see if I can get that. There it is. Oh, isn't that impressive? So this bathroom is purely very luxurious, comfortable, and tech all in one bathroom. So 10 out of 10 at the Fullerton Hotel in Singapore. So those are the best features of this bathroom. 10 out of 10. So beautiful, very nice, and very spacious. Sure. Okay, we're checking out the swimming pool at the Fullerton Hotel Singapore. Let's have a look. Oh, is this mostly ours? That's cool. The pool is mostly ours. Pool, which is not very packed just yet. Early in the morning, it's 10 o'clock. Over that bridge, that way is the boat quay, which Summer and I will check out shortly for lunch. So we're going to swim for today on our last day at the Fullerton Hotel in Singapore. That's the main entrance of the hotel. Very beautiful building. This area behind me is the pool. So we are on our last day at Fullerton Hotel in Singapore. Tonight we are going to see the light show. As I was saying earlier, you can go from the top of Fullerton Hotel to the basement underground to go outside. This is so beautiful. So I think hopefully this may be the last elevator.
I like the smell.
Yes, I like
It's
it
like
too.
a candle from the State Cinema.
Yes. So I think there are a few ways of
Getting hot.
going out to see the city on the left side, right side, front side, but we are going by this underground. Wow, I'm feeling the heat. One Fullerton. Where are we now? Oh, we came out from a different side, I think.
I don't think so. What happened?
I don't remember going down the steps earlier.
I think we did.
Is it? I thought we just came out from the flat side earlier. So here we go. As I was saying earlier, that as soon as you come out from that area where Fullerton Hotel is, this is what you see. So it's nighttime and we can see the Fullerton Hotel, the Art Center, and the Eye, and the city here. So we are going to be here tonight to watch the light show. So tomorrow we are going to check out from the Fullerton Hotel. We had a great time here, great stay, great food, great Christmas ambience. The lot is just perfect. The staff are professional, helpful and friendly. So our checkout time is 12 o'clock. So that is actually a good bonus. An extra time as we don't fly out until 9 o'clock at night. So we'll be leaving our luggage here and explore the city just for a couple more hours before we fly out. So thank you again. Overall, Fullerton Hotel is a fantastic hotel, central location, comfortable, spacious, and first-class service. So if you are coming to Singapore, please book your stay at Fullerton Hotel right in the heart of the CBD. Thank you everyone, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next adventure. Thank you all.